Turbo C++ is a software for making programs in C and C++. Turbo C++ is suitable for Windows 7 and 10 32-bit as well as 64-bit operating system. Let's open the google.com into the browser and search Turbo C++ for Windows 64-bit as seen in the video. Click on this link. As you can see, the free download link appears. Click on this link and then click on the Start Download link. In few seconds, the downloading will start. Once the download is complete, double-click on it and start the installation. Once the installation finishes, run the software and you will see the blue window appears. Enjoy it.